All right, guys, so we just picked up this new BMW, and everyone knows when you get a new BMW, you gotta do maintenance. So let's install this M3 bumper
and cut the muffler off.
So the shop is finally looking amazing, and we also just picked up a new car. I just got a 2009 BMW 335i. This thing is absolutely insane. In today's video, we are going to be putting this M3 bumper on because what do you do when you buy a BMW? You start making it look better. This car has pretty much all the goodies, you know, amazing ECU box cover. I love that, super sick, limited edition. But all jokes aside, it does have the metal oil cap. It also has the intakes. It has an intercooler. I think it's the VSRF 7-inch, I think. I'm not sure on that. Has downpipes, and it is tuned. It has a JB4 tune with an MHD back-end tune. Kind of getting back into the BMW game. I know I used to have one, and if you guys have been following for a while, you will know that I've had a BMW before. It was my white one, and I absolutely loved it, but I ended up getting rid of it, so it's really nice to kind of pick another one up. I'm super, super hype on this car. The interior is super sick too, guys. I mean, it's very, very nice. It's got the carbone right there, some more carbone. This thing is super sick, guys. Guys, don't worry. All the other cars are getting done as well. It's kind of just a big process. We got the whole team here. We've been kind of coming up with, I thought you were gonna throw that at me, Chris.
I mean, I might have.
Been coming up with a lot of ideas on how to basically expand everything and to build better videos and better cars. So that's kind of what we've been doing while we've been gone for a couple of weeks, and really just making the shop super sick. We got the 300ZX right here that we're about to finish up on. We're just gonna do some little things to the BMW, finish the 300ZX probably within the next couple of weeks, and then it's time to start on the SC300, and maybe we might do something with a Subaru, I don't know. We might sell it.
The poor truck.
And the poor truck broke. That's why it's on the lift. The fuel pump went out.
Is down.
Pretty sick though.
Yeah, it's been hanging out up there for like 8 weeks.
It's been hanging out. I know, it's so bad. Sam, what do you think about the new shop?
I think it's amazing. We got fresh paint on the walls.
Sam painted a lot of it. Sam did a lot of work. Chris did a lot of it. Robert did just a little tiny bit.
Gallons?
What?
How many gallons of paint?
Oh yeah, this was like 30 gallons of paint.
Yeah.
For just this side. We still haven't even finished all of this. But that'll be later. We focused on where the lift was, and just for the filming purposes, it just looks a lot cleaner. Robert did help a lot with the standing around and the chilling. He is the chill guy who he just stands around and chills. He's still hurt. I'm sorry, Robert. But yeah, guys, so let's put this M3 bumper on. I didn't buy the kidney grills because I'm just dumb. I thought these would work because I'm a novice BMW guy. But yeah, so let's install the M3 bumper.
Just got the bumper off. Now it's time to install the new bumper.
All right, guys. So the M3 bumper is not going to work on this car. I am an idiot. Truly, I am dumb. I honestly thought it was gonna fit perfectly, just like Robert's bumper. He has an M3 style bumper and it fits up beautifully, but my car does not. So since the bumper's already off, we are going to re-clear the headlights on my new BMW 335i.
So the first thing you're gonna wanna do, you wanna get yourself some soapy water and some 1500 grit sandpaper, and you're gonna wanna, pretty much, you're just gonna wanna wet it down, and you're gonna wanna sand the whole headlight, and you're gonna see, as you're doing this, you're gonna see this layer of shit come off. So all this stuff right here, you're gonna wanna get all of that off. You're gonna wanna get the whole headlight sanded, get it all nice and smooth, any kind of imperfections out of this headlight. And then after that, what you're gonna wanna do is wipe down the whole thing and get it taped off. right, now once you get everything smooth, what you're gonna wanna do is wipe everything down, and then what you're gonna wanna do after that, you're gonna wanna get some alcohol or some glass cleaner, something with high alcohol percentage. Make sure you get all that stuff off. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and put a nice thin layer of tape. We don't really care about masking the whole car because we don't really care about overspray right now because we're gonna be repainting the whole car. So right now what we're gonna be doing is just pretty much clearing these headlights.
Big shout out to Chris. Those headlights look absolutely amazing. We did Sam's bike also. These came out pretty good. I wish I could have showed you the before. They looked really, really rough before. So right now they look really good. I think you should leave the tape, Sam.
You wanna get a little, you wanna get a little shot on what we're doing over
I know, yeah, we're gonna tint Robert's tail lights.
I feel like this is a whole light video right now.
Yeah, what we're doing is tinting lights. Honestly, we should just re-clear every single car's light.
I think that's what's gonna happen.
Clear.
I mean, Jesus Christ.
But do you want to wet sand all the lights? That's
Sure, I mean, it's not that bad. Those need the DA. I gotta put that shit on a palm.
those are really, really
I gotta
bad.
put that on a palm. That'll look good.
But honestly, this car is looking sick. Comment down below, guys. What do you guys want to see done to the 335i? I'm really excited to build this car. It's kind of already built. It's pretty much everything that I would want to do, but it's already done, which is sick because the last car I had, I wanted to do it all and I never did. So it's super sick. Now it's basically going to be just doing maintenance. Tomorrow's video, we're going to do all of the maintenance: spark plugs, coil packs, oil, coolant drain. I'm gonna drain all the coolant out.
New
Coolant
engine.
flush, new engine, everything in the next video on this car. But yeah, guys, this thing is super sick. I'm so excited. What do you think, Chris? Was it a good buy?
I think my car needs my engine to run.
Oh yeah, we still gotta put Chris's engine in. We'll do that very soon, bro.
Dude, the dog chewed through this too.
Oh damn, dude. So the reason we were gonna replace this bumper is the guy I bought it from, his dog was attached to the wheel and he chewed through the bumper. So how do you feel about that, Chris?
I chewed through Sam too.
Oh man. And also got in here too. But no big deal. I am going to order another bumper and hopefully that bumper fits. Comment down below if you guys know. I'm pretty sure the M3 bumper does not fit, but we got it through the body shop and it was very, very cheap. So I was like, okay, let me just try this, see if it works. Worst case, I can return it. But I'm probably gonna have to spend a lot of money and get like an M3 style bumper for the 335i. If anybody has ever ran a original M3 bumper, let me know how you did it, because I'm curious. Because I might just be able to do that. We're doing Robert's headlights too. Robert wanted to join the club. So we got these headlights done. Oh no. Oh no, the 6 Hondo. Oh no. This thing is super sick, guys. What do you think about your bike, Sam? You happy with it?
Little 600.
They're clear, boy.
Yes,
They're clear.
very clear.
How mad would you be if I put my finger in that shit?
Don't do it.
It looks so good.
Way better than it did before.
Burnout?
Burnout.
Sam, I bet you won't do a burnout in the shop. I bet you won't do a burnout in the shop. Right by Robert's car. Hit his bumper. Oh no. Chris, watch out. That was still sick though. That was sick. Oh, kind of
Ruined it.
All right, we gotta do another one.
Dried up so quick.
It dried up
I need
so
more
fast.
water.
All right, get the water out, Chris. Get the water. Get the water. We need big burnout. We need more water, Chris.
all the water. Water! Water!
So just like any BMW, this thing is leaking some oil. Not the best. Look at those downpipes though, looking beautiful. I'm gonna spray this thing with brake cleaner, clean all this oil off, and then check it tomorrow and see where it's leaking from.
That's just from it being above us.
Big time oil leaky.
Yep. All right, y'all gonna want to back up.
So dirty, oh my gosh. We just started and it's so bad. Chris is going in with the doubles now. Oh my God, this is so bad. He's going in with the doubles. Chris don't play around. He loves brake cleaner. Chris, what's your favorite thing in the world?
Crayon.
What the fuck? He said crayons, bro. That's why you have to drive a Beamer? Because the interior smells like crayons?
Yeah.
It actually looks really clean though.
I have nothing out of it.
You have nothing?
No.
He's just in the zone. He does not watch out for you, bro. He's in the zone.
Dude, that was fucking...
I gotta like watch out for the camera because he's just so in the zone. He has no idea where he's at. And now this thing looks absolutely beautiful. That was already on my hand. There's no more dirt. Thank you so much, Chris, for that.
Free work is good work.
Free work is definitely good work. What do you think about that, Robert?
I need to do it in my car.
But thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button. We're going to be building this car. This is another build. We got the 300ZX right here. We're building. Robert's car is trying to start over there. So we got the Lexus we're trying to build. 300ZX we're trying to build. The motherfucking Subaru we may try to build. I don't think so, but probably not. Robert's car, he keeps wrecking it, so we're having to build that shit too. I don't know, man. This is Chill's Garage, and this is just what we're gonna do. We're just gonna build cars halfway. I'm kidding. That's a joke. We're gonna finish all.
It's not really a joke. Everybody thinks it's not a joke.
We're gonna finish cars. It's just been really tough. We've been, obviously making this thing look amazing.
It's a little upsetting.
It's a little upsetting. But we're gonna start finishing everything. So hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Hit the like button if you are subscribed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.